In a quiet town at the edge of nowhere, there lived an artisan, a craftsman whose hands held the power to breathe new life into things others deemed broken. His workshop was a sanctuary for objects with stories, a chair worn thin by generations, a watch that no longer ticked, a violin whose strings had long since sung their last note. But one piece haunted his thoughts more than any other: the violin, left at his door many years ago. Its body was cracked, its strings severed, and its sound lost. Yet the artisan couldn't bring himself to discard it. Something about it called to him. Day by day, he began the delicate process of restoration. He replaced the fractured wood piece by piece. He rewound its bow, restrung its chords, and polished its surface until it gleamed like new. With each repair, he wondered, was this still the same violin that had arrived in his shop all those years ago? It was a question that seemed to linger in the air, haunting and unanswerable. If every part of something is replaced, is it still the same thing? Or has it become something entirely new? To the artisan, the question wasn't just theoretical, it was personal. The violin reminded him of his own life, of the years that had worn him down, the people he'd lost, and the pieces of himself he'd had to rebuild. Was he still the same man he had been in his youth, or was he like the violin, a collection of fragments, some old, some new, held together by nothing more than memory? And then he heard something. The violin's voice, silent for so long, sang once more. Its sound, though different, was no less beautiful. It wasn't exactly the same as before, how could it be? But in its new voice, there was something profound, something deeper. In that moment, the artisan understood something he had always known but never fully realized. We are all like that violin, changed, rebuilt, and yet undeniably whole. It's not the individual pieces that define us, but the stories we weave and the meaning we create. Life will always challenge us to let go of what we were, to break and rebuild. But perhaps the art of becoming is realizing we were never truly broken to begin with.